Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave, your RV specialist. So I'm just catching up with Dave. He's in the middle of replacing this roof on this Grand Design Solitude. And anything particular? I mean, you've done probably, I don't even know, I'm gonna say like, seems like 1,000 roofs. But
at least 100
of just on Grand Designs, you know. So we usually do about somewhere between about 50 to probably 60 something roofs per year. And you know, Dave's been here since Jesus lost his sandals, pretty much. But I know that, you know, something that we do a lot of Dicor products. So actually, here's the Dicor glue right there. I got it in the deal. Yeah, there's the Dicor glue. And then Dave goes and he always glues the roofs clear out to the edge. And there's a lot of different, you know, other videos and posts and articles we have where we like do things different, where we're injecting it behind the side seams and putting on the side moldings and putting the putty and all that kind of stuff on.
Yeah, this one was pretty straightforward. It was already had an underlayment on it, so somebody had already sheeted over the OSB.
Yeah.
I just went around.
So this is technically the third roof that this unit's had then.
Yeah. Technically, this will be a third
membrane. Yeah.
But I went around and just to make sure that everything was down and secure, laid some screws in certain places. If they don't hit truss, those screws tend to stick up.
Yeah.
So I went around and I grounded all those heads off.
Yeah.
Just so it wouldn't interfere with our membrane.
So you went back and kind of cleaned everything up and doctored it up better than it originally was.
Yeah, yeah. And I added tape and seam tape in places. You know, I've always said that thank you factory, because we get a lot of stuff from that. You know?
Yeah.
We go the extra mile. We're a service shop and we don't sell, so our bread and butter is making our customers happy.
Making sure that we do the job right.
You know what I mean? So,
yep. All right. Well, appreciate it, man. Hey, so if you don't know Dave or follow us online, check out a lot of his videos. He's got a lot of videos on the Dicor products that we use. I think a couple of them have been seen over like 700,000-800,000 times. And then some of his other videos have seen, you know, I don't know, 200,000-300,000. So anyways, thanks so much for watching and we appreciate it. This is Dustin, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist in Lodi.